Hey, Bolo buddies. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, we're going to talk about some big money bolos, items to be on the lookout for, items you can hopefully buy low and flip for a profit. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. Bolo Buddies Facebook group, if you want to share your bolo, come on over and join. It's free to join. Share under the share post at the top under the featured section, and I will feature your bolo in a video just like this. Be sure to shout out your socials, your platforms that you want to grow, and I will mention it in the video. So here's the first one. New old stock in the box, hanging goddess rain oil swag lamp. Wow, look at that, you guys. That is a fancy, fancy lamp. Have you ever seen such a thing? Paid $3 at a yard sale, sold on Poshmark for $550. Oh, love being a fan of yours, Courtney. Dreamer112577. Oh, thank you so much. And what a fabulous find. Are you kidding me? $3. That's crazy. Wonder what they sell for brand new. Wow. Super cool. I mean, this one's vintage, but back in the day, you know what I mean? I always wonder what things were valued at, if it went up in value or if this was something that was higher dollar even back then. $550 on Poshmark. All right, the next item is this. It said, I started picking up a lot of vintage buckle clothing and it's been selling quite good for me. I listed this shirt and by the next day it sold. It is a Roar shirt men's large. So not a huge money bolo, but if you can get it cheap and flip it quick, $25 on this one. So do you guys sell buckle clothing? This one is Roar, and I think Buckle is a clothing store that sells multiple brands. So what other buckle brands do you guys have success selling? Throw that down in the chat. This is a L'Oreal True Match Mineral Blush. He said, I paid 53 cents at this discount store, sold in 5 days. They also got food and other stuff. So it looks like they bought multiple things from him. So there it is. With makeup, you just want to make sure it's new, sealed, and not expired if you're going to put it on the platforms. This one is a Department 56 Christmas in the City, the Fox Theater. Look at this one, guys. Paid 25 on these houses from a relative that passed. I tried to sell them at a yard sale for 5 each with no luck. Oh my goodness. This is the third one I've sold on eBay so far. Love your channel. You've taught me tons. Happy holidays. eBay store is reckless, pretty reckless resale. So did it sell for 250? I think it did, you guys. Oh my goodness. She tried to sell it at a yard sale. Well, I'd say you're lucky they didn't sell. I did that once too. I was having a yard sale and I started listing things on eBay from my yard sale during my yard sale just for fun. And I sold things. So yeah, a lot of times it's like, I just don't want to list it, but tell me if you guys have this problem. Do you hate listing things from your house? Like, I could go through my house and find things to list, but it's no fun. I want to go buy something to sell. Let me know if you guys are the same way. Pick this up at a thrift store for uh-oh. That's not right. Oh, I'm missing one. Oh, that's right. It wouldn't pull up. The listing wouldn't pull up. I'm going to tell you what it is. He said picked it up at a thrift store for 35 and sold within a week for 199. It's a Vitamix. So be on the lookout for those and look them up if you see them. We're back to this one. Paid $1 at an estate sale and sold for 35 with free shipping within 3 days. Yeah, these old fruit of the loom people, they like what they like, right? This one's an Art Deco celluloid double ring box from the 1930s. Look how gorgeous that is. These are definitely collectible, nostalgic. People love them. Random acts of thrifting again. That's her eBay store. This was a late October sale, so I'm sneaking it into your November post. I bought an Art Deco celluloid ring presentation box from an online estate sale. Paid $4. It sold on eBay for 35 in about a week. More elaborate ones can go for much higher. I included romantic proposal in the title. Very good idea, right? And it looks like from the bottom, it was probably originally pink. Things like that fade. Isn't that funny? I kind of like it cream. All right, here's the next one. Smathers and Bronson Needlepoint Griswold Christmas Vacation Coasters. How fun is that? Smathers and Bronson products are always a bolo. They sell full leather belts and leather belts with needlepoint. I've sold both for 100 to 150. I bought this set of Christmas drink coasters made by them. They are needlepoint with images of Griswold Christmas Vacation. There wasn't another one for sale or sold anywhere except the company's website priced at 150. There was a Caddyshack theme one sold for 75. I listed for 75 and started getting low offers right away from 20 to 50. It's the season, so I held out because I knew they're big fans of the movie. I even had to block a buyer because they were hounding me with low offers. It sold within 4 weeks for full price. I paid 5 at a garage sale and sold on eBay. My eBay store is Random Acts of Thrifting. Yeah, those are cool. I want to find one of the belts. I think it was you that posted about the belt before that I never knew about those. Frame signed and numbered Iki Matsumoto Seriograph, blue and gold McCall, paid 7 at Savers and took an offer of 450 plus free shipping. So this is a signed framed serigraph. I don't know if that's a type of art, but look at that. You can tell that's an original signature. Anytime you see original signatures like that, definitely look up the artist, guys. How cool is that? Pretty cool, right? And the next one here is this rare 2017 Starbucks Montana Mini Green Coffee Cup. Oh, it's an ornament. Look how cute. Item was purchased at the Goodwill in a bag with 5 or 6 ornaments for $3.99. Initially listed in July for a higher price, but reduced the price slowly over time and sold it for $89.99. New to you by HMC is the eBay store. This one here is a 1950s vintage build, B-I-L-D, Bild outfit. And you guys, if you can find the outfit number and put that in the title, that definitely will help people find it. This sold for $500. Yep, $500. Found this doll dress hidden in a Barbie lot. I've won on online auction. Turns out it was from Barbie's mom, German 50s doll Bild Lily. Listed it for $565 and sold within 1 day for $500. Wow. That is great, and it's not even in the greatest condition. Look, it's got a stain. It's pretty rough and still sold for $500. Isn't that awesome, you guys? This one is a Jellycat, medium bashful aqua bunny. Looks like that. It's a stuffed animal. And estate sale find for $1 and listed for $150 and took a best offer of $135 in 2 days. Yeah, some of the Jellycat are amazing. I do have a video on Jellycat that sell for big money. You can type in bolobuddies Jellycat, but it is an older video, so there may be something more current out there. Bought a pair of Bald Mountain boots for $5 at a yard sale, listed them for $345 and took a best offer of $300 the same day. The Farmer's Daughter's resale on eBay. Wow, I've never heard of that brand. Check it out, guys. $300. Grateful Dead. Antique store paid $18 and sold it for $74.88. It's a Grateful Dead bear, and it's a little stuffed animal. This one here says 10-piece Golden Girl 1984 Galab figure adventure lot Dragon Queen. That's what it looks like, guys. First, I thought it was the Golden Girls. Garage sale paid $40 for the lot. Took a best offer of $275. Awesome, awesome. The next item is this Navajo Gilbert Sectero Sterling Turquoise signed pendant. Free shipping. Paid $20 at a garage sale and sold for $675 on best offer. It is gorgeous. Incredible, incredible find. I can't show you the pictures, but there's what the back looks like. Definitely be on the lookout for items like this. And if you guys are in my Facebook group, this one comes from the Shalone Cherry Picker, and he finds amazing stuff. And he puts a lot of posts in the group that teach you guys things that he tips and tricks that he uses to source. Very, very helpful. So when you're in the Facebook group, look for those posts. You can probably type in the Shalone. It's SHAOLIN and then Cherry Picker, and he does that as one word. So that may help you guys find his post if you want to filter. This one's the United States Marines 10K yellow gold class ring, size 6. Garage sale, paid $100 for the set. Oh, wait. Oh, I missed one. I'm sorry. Hold on. Garage sale, paid $10 for a bag of jewelry. This was in it. Oh, my goodness. They didn't know. They didn't know. 10 karat gold. You guys know how much gold it's going for right now. Woo! Okay, here it is. Here's the other one. Garage sale paid $100 for the set, and it sold for $424.88. So like I said, he has a lot of tips for sourcing at garage sales. You guys definitely want to check out his posts. He finds amazing stuff. Pioneer DVD receiver. touchscreen, got it at a yard sale free, sold on Facebook Marketplace for 30, had listed for 40, sold same day when he got it. He finds a lot of free stuff on the side of the road and at garage sales and stuff like that, and he shares with us how he flips them for profit. He does a good job. This one here is a Fred Ortiz original wall hanging cross from 2012. Found this cross on my final look around an estate sale. I always make several trips to make sure I hadn't missed anything. I saw this cross hanging on a wall. I saw that it was signed on the back. I paid $15 for it. I researched when I got home and saw a similar cross by the same maker that sold for $290. I listed for $299. It sold very quickly. I then realized that I had underpriced the cross. The cross I had used for pricing was much smaller than mine. Lesson learned. I still made a great profit. eBay store is Sapphire Frog Treasures. Wow, that's amazing. Gorgeous. Okay. The next one is this. Check this out, guys. Kelsey Murphy. Ever heard of her? Pilgrim Cameo Glass Elephant Vase from 1991. Purchased this Cameo Art Glass Elephant Vase at an estate sale for $35. Took an offer of $489. It was sitting pretty high up on a shelf, and I knew it was special when I picked it up and saw the carved glass and the signature. eBay store is Sapphire Frog Treasures. And the last one here is this Victoria's Secret Second Skin Satin. Yeah, if you guys don't know about the Second Skin Satin, you got to be looking for these. They are a mega bolo. I'm just trying to show you here some of the pictures because I don't think it says Second Skin Satin on the title, but it's very, it's like a satiny material, and it's very, once you know what it looks like, go search eBay and search solds on these so you know what to look like because they're a bolo. Purchased at the Goodwill for $6, listed on eBay, and sold within 6 months for a best offer of $45 shipping. I sold one in a different color a few months back for $84.99. Yeah, some of them go for big bucks. Andra La eBay, and Sean, she wrote it for me so I could read it. Andra La without the hyphen on Poshmark. Thanks for all you do. Oh, thank you for sharing your bolo. Yeah, this is a great one. Some of that Victoria's Secret vintage stuff is a big money bolo. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Check out the List Perfectly videos. You can now cross post to Whatnot, like I said. So I'm getting lots of items over there, and I'm having marketplace sales. So if you guys are on Whatnot, consider putting things in your buy now. I sold an ornament last night, so that's been sitting on eBay and the other platforms for a little while. So was excited to sell that. And I do have a tutorial for that. 30% off your first month of List Perfectly with coupon referral code bolobuddies, all one word, in the link below. And if you're not on Whatnot already and you want to add a new platform this year, you don't have to do live auctions. You can just use the buy it now. Get your feet wet. See if it's going to be something that you can even have buy it now shows. So what you do is you fill your buy it now, and then you go live and you show items from your buy it now. You can run flash sales, and then people can purchase them. I've done it a couple times. I've had some success with it. So just another option. You don't have to show your face on Whatnot, guys. You can just use your hands. A lot of people have that fear of having their face out there, and they don't want that. That's okay. You don't have to do it. There's many successful YouTubers and people on Whatnot that are not showing their face. So it is not a must. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the chat. Referral link for Whatnot. Get $15 to shop if you want to become a buyer. That's linked below. Come back after you sign up to join that way. If you're already on Whatnot, or after you sign up to be a buyer, you can come back and use my referral link to be a seller. There's also a perk that Whatnot offers for that. If you click on the referral link, you can see what that is. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Thanks for watching.